Destiny can be delayed, but it can never be changed. Don't you power delay no say no let that go anywhere. One day let's all over. When you wanna go, someone you know you're
Yeah, my people, lovers of good things, is your girl Joy Gold. Yes, now I just quick come share good news with my people, with people when they celebrate good things, people when they join good things, they thank God. You understand who give me this news wey I come drop for una na Mr. and Mrs. Rotimi Ivie. They say make I come tell una say on the night of this very month na be their baby dedication. Yes, they no be person wey no know good, they no be person wey no know wetin God do for them. Na him make them come tell the whole world, make una come join them thank God, make una come join them celebrate, make una come join them say Baba you do well. They say they invite friends and well wishers, they invite family, they invite all Umowo community people. They say make una dey with them that very day because they appreciate. They say if God is buy sell land, they say make they come buy, they no go see money take buy. If they stay queue, pikin no go reach their hand. For that reason, they wan go say Baba you do well for this free gift when you do for us. Na him make am, they no hide their testimony, they no hide wetin God do for them. Na him make them come say make everybody come join the time, go come join the celebrate. Then here we have to say, here ti yon, here ti egbe, here ti oten, here ti no we have fe. Bonoje ohun, ugare barata. If you say na the detail ye, umye we social media, everybody is hardly welcome. You wa fe a day. E kenahana wo salo bwana o government, the church are going to say Baba you do well for this precious gift. Baba we appreciate you for this precious gift. Deliverance Truth of God Fire Ministry International, Victoria Gasteiz, Spain. Please guys, don't forget Deliverance Truth of God Fire Ministry International, Victoria Gasteiz in Spain. Please, I beg, make una join and celebrate. Make we join our brother and sister. Say Baba you do well. It's not easy for God to give person picking free of charge. You self think am now. You when you know they join person they celebrate. Not be only they fly be wish. You see you will get double my way get stronger with the envy your own neighbor. You be wish too. If you don't know make you know yes now me talk am. If you like they bend your nose not feel wire my azar. Nah make una come join and celebrate. If you move one fair when we are there. He say if you say you not see na church now, what they want share after the reggae play the Brazil day now. Yes, you don't know before. If you true for church, you see another gbedu day we want go flex, we want go enjoy. As me days are ready to go Spain on the night of this month. On the night of this month, please save the date. As me days, so I don't already go to that for front of that church because they tell me miracle they happen for that church. And I'm there I want to see my husband because I did dream I marry Umogun people. So I beg Umogun people make una quick come. You will never marry for inside because they say I'm not the married two wife. You will never marry for inside. Signal me at the life free food too. If you don't know me, you know. Yes now. They say paper rice they there. I be papa my baby, my mama baby. Make una arrange my whole package separate. So we love you. Expect to see you.
Woman no coming from the Lord. They know they see her for market here. A good woman is a blessing from above.